Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and signing into Google Photos so your library can sync. Once done, grant Photos and Notifications permissions. That lets the app scan and backup images. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled so backups continue when you switch apps. If you prefer to save mobile data, choose Wi-Fi only. Otherwise, enable cellular backups in settings. Doing this up front prevents missed uploads and keeps your iPad storage organized automatically. Next, you configure backup and sync so Google Photos stores your images. Go to Settings and pick Original or Storage Saver. Original keeps full resolution while Storage Saver saves space. Then select specific albums to include and decide if cellular backup is allowed. Once configured, use the Library tab to organize photos into albums, remove duplicates, and star favorites. This helps later searches. Make sure to check storage settings periodically so you don't hit your Google storage limit. Finally, you'll edit, share, and make sure everything stays synced. Tap any photo to access editing tools, crop, adjust light, or apply a filter, then save a copy if you want to keep the original. To share, create an album or generate a link and set collaborator permissions for others to add photos. If backups stop, first check Photos permissions and Wi-Fi, then update the app and free up Google storage. That simple sequence fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.